What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Santa Clarita. Hearing that they've had some crazy stuff. Let's go. Our Thursday trip, it is what, 1 o'clock? A little after 1. Need to keep coming here because the campers keep grabbing everything. Hearing they got all kinds of J's on the heat cart. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we are up in here checking the heat cart. They got nothing on the heat cart right now. Dang, so I'm gonna have to keep track. Literally bare. I can't even tell what that is right there. They got something up there, but nothing too dope. Alright, it was a pink and white Jordan 2 that I've never seen. Alright, we'll keep track. I'm gonna try to stay here for at least one restock. I think I came here a little over a week ago. We're gonna do a quick trip in the aisles real quick. 10.5. Zoom Freak 4s go for 60. SB Shanes. These bad boys go for 50. Blazer mids 50. Air Max 97s go for 80. That's a hell of a price. Air Max 90 Gore-Tex. Definitely don't see sales like that at the regular outlets. $80. Size 10 Vapor Max. Being able to get Vapor Max for $100, that is dope. Got Kyrie's going for 60. Got LeBron's go for 100. Tempo Next Percent for you runners go for 100. Kyrie Lows, these are size 10, go for 50 bucks. That's a hell of a deal. They got 10.5s on this side. I wasn't aware. Air Max 95 Quick Strikes going for 80. That's pretty dope. Size 11 Air Max 2090s going for 70 bucks. No more Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Go for $100. That is just fire. Love these Flyknit versions. Do they squeak less than my what is it, the 2019s? Do they squeak less than those? I wonder. Vaporfly Next Percent 2s go for $100. More of these. I have been keeping track of the heat cart over there. Also been keeping track of this area. See if they restock right here as well, and nothing new so far. Alright, checking out the size 12 now. Metcon 8's going for 60. You can find Jordans here, that's what's up. Look at this, the Jordan 37s? Jordan 37s go for 80 freaking dollars. That is definitely a steal. Got another way, size 11.5. Not bad. SBs. The BRSBs going for $40, so cheap. Thought that was like the Jarrito colorway or something. Blazer Low GT Premiums go for 40 bucks. Kyrie's going for 60. Air Max 90, this looks like a Golf. Yep, 60 bucks. Alright, we will check out the bigger sizes real quick, but I want to get more to the apparel section, to be really honest. Size 13, or so 12.5, light 95s go for 80. 13 Blazers going for 50. Zion 2s going for 60 bucks. Look at that price, just a steal. Got several of these Zion 2s. Saw the Naruto colorway. What you guys tell me, because I didn't know which one that was in watts. Glad you guys were able to tell me. $60, that's just hella cheap. Air Max 2090s go for 70. Size 14 and above, not really see much. Vaporfly Next Percent go for 100. The Luka PEs, but this ain't no size. Yeah, that's a size 9.5. Size 9.5 go for 80. Not much for Big Feet Gang today. Got some Kyrie's here that have been here forever. 60 bucks. Looks like all those $7 sneakers all gone. All gone. I have heard of resellers buying like 60, 70 pair of those sneakers when they come down to like $7. Man, smaller sizes, I'm not seeing nothing. Really nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the apparel section. Let's go see what's up. And as I mentioned, I have been keeping my eye on the heat cart over there. Also this little section right here. Been checking every few minutes, but no restocks. Wonder if all their winter gear is gonna start going on sale now that winter's starting to be done, man. It's like 70 something degrees outside now. It's gonna be 80 next week, I believe. You got some dry fit hoodies right here, going for 30 bucks, normally 90. Zion jacket, Jordan Zion jacket, Going for $80, normally 2 bills. Lakers hoodie. This is one that I do have. 25 bucks. This is triple XL though. I'm checking to see if they have like a medium or large. I would grab one or two for some of the homies. Don't see them. Oh, they do have this one right here that I did get. These are small, so these are really thick Nike hoodies. Go for 30. They're normally like 90. Super thick, super nice. I just wore mine last night actually. Another rack right here. The Nike golf pullovers go for 30. Normally 80 bucks. Someone cracked that open just so they can check. Jetman hoodie going for 30. Got vests. I've talked about vests multiple times on my channel. I still don't understand vests. Like your torso is nice and warm, but your arms are cold. Like I don't understand it. But yeah, 60 bucks. 60 bucks. Nike Flight sweatshirt. This is pretty nice. 50 bucks. I know this is pretty freaking premium. I'm not too big of a fan of that on the back. But it is super thick, super nice. Jordan hoodie XL, going for 25 bucks, normally 70. And then more Lakers hoodies. These are all triple XL, so dang it. We do got Jordan hoodies right here. Or is this a jacket? A Jordan jacket. If you have like the court purple something, 30 bucks for these bad boys. They just got large, so more jacket right or oh, this one's a hoodie. Dang it. I do got a Volt color hoodie. It says Mike's Gym right here. These are largest, go for 25 bucks. Decent hoodie selection. Not really seeing too much else. Do got sweats and stuff like that. These are pretty nice. The regular length, $150 down to $40. This is a large right here. Really premium material. Tech fleece large, go for 50 bucks right here. These are sweats. I think these are the sweats that match the hoodie that I got. White Nike signed, $30 down from 90. Kind of baggy though. Usually I check for backpacks. They don't really have much going on right now. Even with accessories such as hats and stuff, not really much. It's pretty dope. Hoodie right here going for $30. Pretty thin, kind of an army green. They have these the performance masks. Is this the one that like prevents you from getting oxygen, so it makes it feel like you're training at a higher altitude because less oxygen? I don't know if that's that or not. 20 bucks for those. They got golf gloves right here, down to $10, normally 25. Not seeing too much though. Got victory slides going for 25. I think that's about it, dude. That's about it. I did wait. I think I've been here for what, 35, 40 minutes, and no restocks. No restocks here. No restocks up there as well. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. Still found some decent deals, but I think I'm done. I do have some video from when I was at Costco. I think what, 2 days ago at lunchtime. Let's go there real quick, and then we'll do an outro. All right, I'm at Costco, the most random place to be vlogging at. But yeah, look at this. They got Majestic jerseys. Not super high end, but these are only $30 for Dodger jerseys. They're Majestic, like I said. A little patch on the side. That's not bad for 30 bucks. Then they also have hoodies. Is this a Majestic brand too? This one's already open right here. Yeah, this is a Majestic brand as well. $40 for these hoodies. Pretty nice quality. And it's not super thick, to be really honest. But in LA, do we need super thick? It says LA on the side, Dodgers. It does have the hoodie right there. Then a pocket in the front, not bad for 40 bucks. And then more Costco finds. Got Champion LA Kings t-shirts. It's a hockey right there. So we got those shirts. These are going for $17. And then we got these hoodies. These hoodies, what, I don't even know what brand this is. A Champion brand. Hoodie right here, pretty thin. These are going for 30 bucks. $30, bed. Got plenty of size, of course. All right, guys, that was what I saw at Costco a couple days ago. I posted that on my shorts, so I hope you guys are watching my YouTube shorts. I think I even posted it on my Instagram, so hopefully you guys are following me on Instagram as well as my YouTube shorts, because I do show real-time stuff that I do see, like that Costco one. I uploaded that like right when I was leaving Costco and stuff, so hopefully you guys are finding deals here. Nothing crazy today, but you know, you have to come here often. You know, if you're in the area, you know, there are the people that camp here for hours and hours and hours, so you do have to come here pretty often. You know, morning, afternoon, just whenever you have to come, and you can find some steals, man. I heard they had a bunch of UNC 5s there for, you know, $100, something like that. So you're definitely gonna find deals. Even today, like I just came on a random time, and like the Vapor Max, to find Vapor Max for $100, that is just fire. You know, most of the times it's tough finding Vapor Max for under $100 because they're normally $2. So you know, they do have stuff here and there, but you do have to come pretty frequently because, like I said, you're competing with the campers and stuff. I don't come here often enough because I just don't have time. I don't have time. But if you do, definitely worth it. But and yeah, that's pretty much about it. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell because I do drop tons and tons of videos. My goal is always a video a day, but it has been kind of hectic. It's been kind of tough. But we'll keep going, guys. But got plenty coming. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got